Are you tired of seeing your paycheck disappear before the end of the month? Drowning in debt and wondering if financial freedom is just a fantasy? Well, you're not alone. And guess what? There's a way out. In today's video on cash stuffing and budgeting, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I broke free from debt, took control of my money, and started thriving, all with the power of budgeting. No fluff, no financial jargon, just real talk, real results. So grab your coffee, your envelopes, and let's stuff our way to success. Part 1. The debt trap, how we get stuck. Let's start with the truth. Most of us didn't plan to be in debt. It just happened. Maybe it was a student loan, a car payment, a few credit card splurges, or an emergency that wiped out your savings. For me, it was a combination of living above my means and ignoring my bank balance. I thought making minimum payments was enough. But each month, the interest piled on like a silent thief stealing my future. Debt is like a financial prison. You feel trapped, anxious, and powerless. But here's the game changer: budgeting is the key to escape. It's not about restriction. It's about control. Part 2. Mindset shift, from surviving to thriving. Before we touch a calculator or grab an envelope, we've got to fix the mindset. Repeat after me. I am in control of my money. My money does not control me. The moment I stopped seeing budgeting as punishment and started viewing it as a tool, everything changed. I stopped surviving and started thriving. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. Your peace, your goals, your freedom. That's the power of intention. That's the power of cash stuffing and budgeting. Part 3. Creating your debt-busting budget. Here's where the magic happens. Grab a pen, grab your paycheck, and let's get to work. Step 1. List every debt you owe. Credit cards, loans, car payments, everything. Write down the total balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Step 2. List all your income. Every side hustle, paycheck, and penny counts. Step 3. List your expenses. Fixed costs, like rent, and variable, like groceries. Step 4. Give every dollar a job. This is called zero-based budgeting. Whether it's rent, savings, or debt payoff, every single dollar must have a home. Now here comes the most satisfying part: cash stuffing. You break your budget into categories, grab those envelopes or binders, and stuff your cash where it belongs. It's visual, it's tangible, and it's powerful. Part 4. The Debt Snowball Method versus Avalanche. 2 powerful strategies to crush your debt. 1. Debt Snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. With each paid-off debt, your motivation snowballs. 2. Debt Avalanche. Focus on the highest interest debt first. You save more on interest, but it may take longer to feel progress. For me, I started with the snowball. That feeling of paying off a card boosted my confidence. It gave me momentum. Eventually, I switched to Avalanche to maximize savings. Whichever you choose, stick to it. Stay consistent. Stuff those envelopes. And watch your debt melt away. Part 5. Budget routines that built my success. Success comes from routine, not random motivation. Here's my weekly budgeting ritual that changed everything. Sunday check-in. Review my expenses and envelope balances. Payday stuffing. Every paycheck, I break it down and stuff it into categories. Bills, groceries, debt, sinking funds. No-spend days. I schedule 2 to 3 no-spend days each week. Helps reset impulsive habits. I also keep a visual debt tracker, like a thermometer or coloring sheet. Every time I make a payment, I color in a section. Sounds simple, but it's super motivating. Make it fun. Make it yours. Make it consistent. Part 6. Thriving after debt, building wealth your way. Now let's talk about thriving. Once that debt is gone, oh, the freedom you feel. But don't stop there. It's time to build wealth. That means emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Sinking funds, for holidays, birthdays, car maintenance. Investing, even small amounts can grow. Passive income, side hustles, digital products, online selling. This is where budgeting shifts from survival mode to building your dream life mode. I went from fearfully checking my balance to confidently planning vacations, investing in myself, and even giving back to others. That's the goal. Budgeting gives you choices, freedom, peace. Part 7. Mistakes to avoid on your debt-free journey. Let's be real, I made plenty of mistakes. Here are some traps to avoid. Lifestyle creep. As you pay off debt, don't inflate your lifestyle too fast. No emergency fund. One unexpected bill can undo months of progress. Underestimating small expenses. Coffee runs and impulse buys add up. Comparing your journey. Don't get discouraged by someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your progress. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Progress, perfection. You don't need to earn 6 figures to be debt-free. You need a plan, discipline, and faith in yourself. I did it with budgeting, with cash stuffing, with commitment, and you can too. Subscribe to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting for weekly motivation, real-life tips, and my personal journey of financial transformation. Hit that like button, drop it in the comments if you're ready to crush your debt, and share this video with a friend who needs some hope. Remember, you're not just budgeting to survive, you're budgeting to thrive. Missed my last video on how I save $200 a month on food? Check it out right here. And don't forget to watch my upcoming challenge video, Stuffing $2,000 in Cash Envelopes, dropping next week.